In a quiet little city, everything seemed peaceful until strange sounds began to appear.
Did you hear that sound?
It was scary. What could it be?
At night, the sounds grew louder and fear spread across the city.
Oh, scary symptom. Just happened for no reason. I need to investigate.
And suddenly, silence returned.
You were so brave, Mickey.
I wasn't brave. I just didn't trust to be afraid. Figures when we
The city learned an important lesson that night,
don't
and with calm hearts, everyone slept peacefully.
listen.